What if machines could defy gravity, conquer raging storms, and tame the wildest terrains on Earth? Join us for real engineering stories packed with visual punch, revealing the machines that reshaped our world and redefined human potential. Welcome to Titan Machines TV, where we dive into the machines that make miracles happen. These 10 behemoths tackled projects no human crew could dream of. For each, we'll explore the impossible structure it made possible, the environmental challenges it faced, how its raw power and tech solved them, and the lasting impact on infrastructure and humanity. With a cinematic tone, let's embark on a journey through engineering triumphs that changed the world. Here we go. Number 1. Zoomlion ZCC9800 H-Crawler Crane. The Zoomlion ZCC9800 H-Crawler Crane built the impossible. The iconic tower in Dubai, a 358-meter skyscraper in a desert prone to sandstorms. Sand-laden winds reaching 100 kilometers per hour and shifting dunes threatened construction stability. This 2,000-ton crane, lifting 800 tons with a 180-meter boom, used AI-stabilized counterweights to withstand gusts, hoisting steel beams with sub-centimeter precision. Its 3,000-horsepower engine powered through heat exceeding 50 degrees Celsius. Completed in 2018, the tower houses 10,000 residents, anchoring Dubai's skyline as a global hub. This crane turned a hostile desert into a beacon of urban progress, proving no storm can stop human ambition. Number 2. Sandvik DR416 II Rotary Drill. The Sandvik DR416 II Rotary Drill carved the foundation for Chile's Chuquicamata mine expansion, an open-pit copper mine in the Atacama Desert. Extreme aridity and 4,000-meter altitudes caused equipment overheating and dust hazards. This 120-ton drill, boring 80-meter deep blast holes at 50 meters per day with 600 horsepower, used dust suppression systems and AI-guided drilling to maintain efficiency. Its automated bit changes cut downtime by 70%. Finished in 2020, the expansion extracts 1.7 million tons of copper annually, powering global tech. The DR416 conquered the driest desert, ensuring resource security for millions. Number 3. Herrenknecht Deep Shaft Sinking Machine. The Herrenknecht Deep Shaft Sinking Machine enabled India's Polavaram Dam, a 50-meter-high structure across the flood-prone Godavari River. Monsoons and soft riverbed soil risked collapses during shaft sinking. This 400-ton, 10-meter-wide machine, sinking 500-meter shafts at 10 meters per day, used laser-guided cutters and real-time soil sensors to stabilize excavations. Its 2,000-horsepower system powered through muddy terrain. Completed in 2023, the dam irrigates 300,000 hectares, feeding millions. This machine tamed a raging river, transforming India's agricultural backbone with flood-proof infrastructure. Number 4. Caterpillar D11 T-Bulldozer. The Caterpillar D11 T-Bulldozer leveled the path for Peru's Inambari hydroelectric project in the Andes' rugged jungle. Steep 45-degree slopes and dense vegetation slowed traditional grading. This 104-ton dozer, pushing 45 cubic yards per pass with 850 horsepower, used GPS-guided blades to carve precise roadbeds at 10,000 square meters daily. Its reinforced frame withstood rocky impacts. Finished in 2021, the project powers 2 million homes, boosting Peru's energy grid. The D11T turned impassable jungle peaks into highways, electrifying remote communities and driving economic growth. Number 5. Vermeer T1655 Terrain Leveler. The Vermeer T1655 Terrain Leveler sculpted Norway's E39 coastal highway, a 1,100-kilometer route along fjord cliffs. Icy winds and uneven granite terrain challenged surface preparation. This 180-ton machine, cutting 4 meters wide at 500 tons per hour with 1,200 horsepower, used laser-guided drums to smooth cliffs with millimeter accuracy. Its all-weather cab protected operators in sub-zero storms. Completed in 2024, the highway cuts travel time by 50%, linking coastal towns. The T-1655 conquered Norway's frozen cliffs, weaving a lifeline through one of Earth's harshest landscapes. Number 6. Putzmeister S70SX Concrete Pump. The Putzmeister S70SX concrete pump built Japan's Mori Tower in typhoon-prone Tokyo. Winds of 150 kilometers per hour and seismic risks demanded rapid, stable pours. This 80-ton pump, delivering 200 cubic meters per hour up to 300 meters, used AI-monitored pressure systems to avoid blockages during storms. Its 600-horsepower engine ensured continuous operation. Completed in 2014, the 238-meter tower houses 20,000 workers, anchoring Tokyo's skyline. The S70SX defied Japan's tempests, creating earthquake-resistant urban hubs that define modern resilience. Number 7. Komatsu PC-8000-6 Hydraulic Shovel. The Komatsu PC-8000-6 hydraulic shovel excavated Bolivia's San Cristobal mine roads in the Andes high-altitude desert. Thin air at 4,500 meters and rocky terrain reduced machine efficiency. This 777-ton shovel, scooping 42 cubic meters per cycle with 4,000 horsepower, used oxygen-enriched cabs and AI-optimized hydraulics to maintain output, moving 20,000 tons daily. Finished in 2019, the roads support a mine producing 1,500 tons of silver yearly, fueling Bolivia's economy. The PC-8000-6 conquered oxygen-starved peaks, building access to wealth that lifts nations. Number 8. Wirtgen SP-1200 Slipform Paver. The Wirtgen SP-1200 Slipform Paver surfaced China's Sichuan-Tibet Highway through Himalayan landslides. Unstable slopes and sub-zero temperatures risked pavement cracking. This 60-ton, 12-meter-wide paver laid 800 meters of concrete daily with 400 horsepower, using thermal sensors and AI leveling for crack-free roads. Its automated screeds ensured smoothness in freezing conditions. Completed in 2022, the 2,000-kilometer highway connects remote Tibet, boosting trade. The SP-1200 tamed landslide-prone peaks, forging a lifeline through the roof of the world. Number 9. Epiroc D65S Rotary Blast Hole Drill. The Epiroc D65S Rotary Blast Hole drill blasted paths for Pakistan's Karakoram Highway expansion in the Himalayas. Avalanches and loose rock threatened crew safety. This 35-ton rig, drilling 40 meters daily with 350 horsepower, used automated bit control and seismic sensors to minimize rockfall risks. Its dust suppression systems protected operators. Finished in 2023, the highway links China and Pakistan, handling 10 million tons of trade yearly. The D65S pierced treacherous peaks, creating a trade artery that reshapes geopolitics. Number 10. Dynapac SD2500CS Asphalt Paver. The Dynapac SD2500CS Asphalt Paver surfaced Bhutan's Galefu Manas Highway through monsoon-soaked mountains. Heavy rains and muddy terrain delayed traditional paving. This 19-ton, 8-meter-wide paver laid 700 tons of asphalt per hour with 200 horsepower, using GPS-guided screeds and thermal mapping for durable surfaces. Its compact design navigated tight switchbacks. Completed in 2021, the highway connects Bhutan's lowlands, boosting tourism. The SD2500CS conquered deluges, paving a path to prosperity in one of Asia's wettest regions. These 10 machines, from the Zoomlion ZCC 9800H to the Dynapac SD2500CS, turned impossible dreams into reality, building structures that defy gravity, weather, and terrain. They carved the Karakoram Highway, raised the iconic tower, and powered the Polavaram Dam, overcoming deserts, monsoons, and frozen cliffs. Their scale, tons of steel, thousands of horsepower, and tech like AI, sensors, and automation solved challenges that once halted progress. The Zoomlion crane's storm-defying lifts, the Heron Connect's flood-proof shafts, and the Wirtgen's landslide-resistant roads cut construction times by up to 80%, saving billions. Visualize highways snaking through Himalayan snow, dams taming wild rivers, and towers rising from desert storms. These machines didn't just build, they transformed humanity, connecting isolated regions, powering economies, and housing millions. The Sichuan-Tibet Highway links 7 million people, the Chuquicamata mine fuels global tech, and the E39 highway unites Norway's coast. These are monuments to human ingenuity, proving no mountain is too high, no storm too fierce. Which machine's triumph inspired you most? Drop it in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe to our channel for more epic engineering stories. Let's keep building the impossible together.